Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a trick how to fix forget password in MacBook. As you can see my MacBook which I have forgot the password. Tap shutdown. Holding the power key until you see continue holding for startup options. After few seconds, holding startup option will appear, then release the power key. Select option, tap below continue. Go to utilities and choose terminal. And type here reset password and hit enter. And once the reset password comes here, it asks you to deactivate Mac. And select your Wi-Fi network connectivity. Once the Wi-Fi network connected, here you can choose new password and verify the password same. And tap next. Congratulations, your reset password has been completed successfully. And tap exit and reboot your device to changes effect. Thank you for watching Gulf Tech channel.